Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to migrate from SafeMoon to SFM v2 using your Trust wallet. First you want to go to the apps. From here you want to input the URL, which is safemoon.net, and from here you can see that we've got the contracts for SFM, just in case you need it if you can't see the token on your wallet, to add it as custom. And then you want to hit on this button that shows Ethereum and choose Smart Chain. Then press on Consolidate to V2 SafeMoon. Hit the Connect button. And then you get this little message here. Go ahead and read it, and if you understood it and you want to go ahead, click on I understand. You go ahead and choose how many SafeMoon, but obviously we're going to click on maximum because we want to migrate all of our SafeMoon. Go ahead and approve. Then you have to pay this fees, which is just 0.08. Click on approve. And you can see at the top there it's saying one pending, so that's the transaction that's pending. This should not take more than a few seconds. And then now you can go ahead and press migrate. But for now I want to show you how to add the SFM fast. And on your Trust wallet, if you cannot see the SFM token, click here and then just write here SFM. It should come up there, and then just turn it on by clicking this button. And from there, when you go back to your wallet, you'll be able to see it there, 0 SFM. Then go ahead and press migrate. Approve that fee of £2.47, and that should do it. Now if we come back to our wallet, you'll notice that SafeMoon's gone, and if you scroll all the way down, you'll see SafeMoon v2 and the amount has changed. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.